Number 2. Bosch 12V Pocket Driver. If you're in the market for a heavy-duty battery screwdriver, the Bosch is the one you want. With 21 clutch settings and torque up to 265 inch-pounds, this compact 12-volt electric screwdriver packs a powerful punch. The 2-speed settings provide versatility, and the built-in work light is a handy feature for those hard-to-reach spots. Plus, the forward-reverse switch makes switching direction a breeze. The size and weight of the Bosch make it easy to maneuver in tight spaces and overhead, making it a versatile tool for any project. The two 12-volt batteries ensure you'll always have power when you need it, and the charger and carrying case make it convenient to keep everything organized. The included flathead and Phillips head bits, along with the 1/4 inch shank, allow for compatibility with a wide range of screw sizes and materials. What I love most about the Bosch is its power and ease of use. It effortlessly drives screws into wood and metal, making quick work of any project. The only downside is that the batteries may not last as long as you'd like on a single charge, but having 2 batteries included mitigates this issue. Overall, the Bosch is the best heavy-duty battery screwdriver on the market. Its power, versatility, and compact size make it a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or professional contractor. Check it out for yourself and see why this screwdriver is a cut above the rest. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.